how to use ChatGPT and Canva to create your social media posts. Now, if you're anything like me, I get a little bit bored having to create these things manually. So I was looking for quick ways to do this. And I found a channel on YouTube, and I'll link to the channel underneath this video. And basically they shared one way of basically bulk creating these social media images. Now, what I wanted to do in this case was look at using motivational images, the one by ones, and use them across various social media platforms. So the first thing I did is I came across to ChatGPT, and I basically gave it a prompt. And the prompt was, imagine you are a social media expert who focuses on the motivation, digital marketing, and make money online niches. Type orange if you understand the brief. Excuse my spelling, but not worry. ChatGPT understood and said, I understand the brief. So next we moved on. I said, well, create 15 short motivational quotes for me. And it did, but they're pretty boring. So I thought, well, let's go and do another 20. But in this case, I want you to quote them from famous or well-known people. And it did. It came back with these 20 or so. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy these 19 I'm going to take. Copy that. I'm going to come across to a spreadsheet. And there's this one here. I'll just put that into here. And then I'll just drag this column along so it's all in this one column here. So what I have here now is I have all these quotes all sectioned out. They're in this spreadsheet, which makes it easier for me to copy and paste because I've removed those numbers from the front of the quotes, as you can see here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come across to Canva. I'll show you this step by step. So I'm in Canva. I'm going to click on social media. I'm going to put in Instagram quote templates. See what it comes back with. So we've got all these different styles that we can use, different versions of it you can see here. And this one's a pretty good style. But what you can also do is you can come down to this side and have a look for other styles. So I quite like the minimalistic style. So let's see what we have here. That one looks quite good. This one looks really good. This could work. So I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to customize the template, and actually below the video as well you'll see links to Canva, and I've also got there, I'll just do it on the desktop, sorry. What I've got a link to Canva, but I've also got a link to ChatGPT Guide as well, which you can grab for free, so you can check that out. So anyway, this is a quote. This is what we're going to do. This one here, I'm just going to put my website in there. Stupid Simple Marketing. StupidSimpleMarketing.com. Let's just pull that right across the bottom, like such. Okay, so it says motivation quote. This is the text that we're going to change. So I can move this up if I wish. Now, it'd be pretty boring having to go through and just doing this line by line, line by line. You could do it, but it's pretty boring. So what I wanted to do, and again, this is based on the Design with Canva YouTube channel I found. They showed me exactly how to do this, how to do a bulk create. So if you come along to the left-hand side here, you can see it actually does say bulk create. So all you need to do is click on there, enter the data manually, clear the data table, collect these 19 quotes that we had before, just copy them, come back to here and type them in here. And I'm just going to put in here, oops, MOTIV, motive 1, and then click done. So now you can see I've got this section here which is covered with a purple box, which means it is selected. If I come to the 3 dots, you can see now I can do connect data, and there's that data we just did, that bulk create. If I click on here, motive, do that, and then click continue, and now what it's done is it's actually created all of these quotes ready to produce. Click generate pages. So now what we have is I'm going to keep this in here, I'm not going to open the app. We have this here, we have the motivational quote. There's a quote there, it's come back with believe you can and you're halfway there, Theodore Roosevelt. I can pull this down, I can resize it, I can do all sorts of things. What I can also do is change the image, because if you look, all these quotes are here now, but they look pretty boring because it's the same image behind. So what you can do is come across to elements. In fact, I've got uploads here, and the first one is Theodore Roosevelt. So let's just have a look for Theodore Roosevelt. I think I've got him here somewhere. Just bear with me. actually found him in the elements. So we have Theodore Roosevelt here. So all I do is I'm just going to drag it across, and you'll see the image takes over. It goes. I'm not actually just copying and pasting the image. What I'm doing, if I just go back, then I'll show you that again. I'm not deleting that image. All I'm doing is dragging this image across the Theodore Roosevelt one. Let's just go back to here, and you can see. And you do that for each one. So in this case, this is Winston Churchill. So let's go and find Winston Churchill in here. See if he's in this. There he is here. Let's just drag him across here. We've got Winston Churchill. Steve Jobs. I think he was upload, so let's have a look. We've got a Steve Jobs there, and we've got a Steve Jobs there. So there you go. And again, you can just drag these down if you wish to suit whatever style that you're looking for. You can also put your own images on here as well if you have any branding. So now we've got that. What we're going to do is just going to click back to home. Run a bit slow for some reason. And if you come here, you can see you've got a thing called Content Planner. Now this is on the Pro version. And I'll put a link below the video as well to give you a free trial for the Pro version as well for Canva. So all you need to do is click on Content Planner. Now, as you can see, I've just started scheduling this. I've got some scheduled ones done already. So what you can do is you can connect your social accounts. So Instagram business, Facebook page, Twitter, Facebook group, Pinterest, LinkedIn, LinkedIn page, Slack, and Tumblr. You can do that, and you can create a post from within here as well. You can schedule a post, which is what we have here. You can see we've got these ones scheduled. And by doing that, what you can do is select a channel and click on that and select a channel. Again, you've got them same options. And all you want to do is just connect your social media accounts to these channels, to Canva rather. So you can do it that way. And there's some social media lessons here as well within Canva. So you can learn about social media from Canva themselves and what they recommend. We could come here and schedule an Instagram post. If you want to do it direct from there, you can just schedule it from here. You can see it comes up with Instagram. You can put in your caption if you wish, and then you can upload it or schedule it, and it'll add to your calendar here. So you can see I've got Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram ready to go. Now, in a subsequent video I'm going to show you another way of actually syndicating much wider than this using free tools again. But for this video, what we're looking at here was looking how quick we could create content using ChatGPT. That came up with the quotes that we're looking for. How we could then jump across to Canva and create these templates very, very quickly, upload our text, generate, and it's created these actual templates that we have now, which are the social media posts that we can now schedule. Now you can see I've got these ones ready here to go as well. If I click into those, it's going to ask us if I want to open the app, but let's just have a look. I'll just ignore it. So you can see all these are ready to go. There's Theodore Roosevelt, there's Churchill, Steve Jobs, Wayne Gretzky, everything's there. So all I've got to do is just come into here and select whichever one of these pages I want to send across in the social media. So I can come in here. This is the first day. So this one's day one. That's going to cross between 3 and 4 social media accounts automatically. It's scheduled to do that now. And then tomorrow when I come in, I'll schedule these. Or what I can do is I can sit here, I've got a bit of time now, I can get these scheduled for the whole of the week, and that's my social media accounts, social media images done. This is just static images. I like to do videos, but this just shows you how you can use the static content within Canva and use the tools within Canva to basically come up here and put them into your content planner and automate the whole process. So there you have it. Give that a try. It's very simple. ChatGPT first, create the quotes that you're looking for. Give it a good prompt of what you're looking to achieve. Make sure it understands what the brief is. Then take those, whatever it generates, take those, put them into an Excel sheet, or in this case I've used Google. So take Google Sheets, and then we come into Canva, and we basically upload those using the bulk create tool here, which you'll find on the left hand side, and then just generate. And then, as I say, you can come in here and just change your images to suit just by dragging across until the image replaces the image behind. And there you have it. And using Canva, you don't actually have to download these images to your desktop or to your cloud. All you have to do is use Canva and connect them using the content planner. You can connect all these social accounts, just simply going there. And then as long as you're logged in, you can get them collected, and you're free to go. It's as good as that. Saves me a lot of time. I hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me know what your thoughts are. leave your comments below. Again, check the links below the video. Again, this is all about giving value. I'm just getting back into promoting stuff online, so that's why I'm going to give all this content away for free. And I've got some great stuff coming in the next few weeks, next few days and weeks, to be honest with you. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.